We're going to be doing the product demo that I talked to you guys about yesterday. We're going to be using hey, and if you have the interior of the vehicle here, right here, we're going to be using the dress up, and we're going to be using it on this Acura RDX. And we're going to get right to it here in just a minute. We're going to show how that works on there. Really easy as an express cleaner. You see, it's not too bad in here. This vehicle's not too dirty, so it's going to be really easy clean. So what we're going to do, so this stuff's really great. What it's for is that this is an express cleaner. This is really good. This is more for if you're doing a lot of just quick jobs at your shop, or you're just a do-it-yourselfer and you want a quick wipe down of your vehicle, but you don't want a really like glossy finish on there. You're just wanting something like a satin finish to look at pretty close to natural, but still looking new. And you want a light cleaner, something that also protects the surface as well and repels dust. This is perfect. If you have a lot of buildup and a lot of grime for your solution concentrate, this is for heavier grime on buildup. Like, if you look at a vehicle, you'll see, like that vehicle I did with the pedals. Get that kind of stuff out, the sweat and stuff built up like on the side door panels. This is really good. It's concentrate. Most of our products are concentrated, so it makes it a lot easier to use because it goes longer. You're not paying for water. You're adding water to it after you buy it. You're buying the concentrated, where a lot of other companies, consumer grade, that's what we get a lot. You're paying a lot for fillers, a lot for water, less for product. That's why it's quote unquote cheaper. But actually, these are cheaper as concentrates because they last a lot longer. Because people think, well, it's a 16-ounce bottle. Why is that 16-ounce bottle $12.95 when at the store it's $4.95? Well, because the store, or whatever, $5.95, whatever the price. But the point is $5.95 for that 16-ounce bottle, where that $12.95 concentrate diluted down 10 to 1, that makes 10 bottles. So that's what we mean by concentration and value on professional products versus consumer products. Professional products are meant to be used and to last long term and to be easy of use. Consumer products are meant to be, they'll probably work, and they're not going to work long term, especially like protection and stuff like that. So let's get to it. So again, those of you just popping in, hey, and if you're new, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel too. We're going to have a whole lot of products, product demo, how to, stuff like that coming up here. I just realized I don't have 4 hands. I don't have 4 hands. We're coming up with a product soon, so I'll have 4 hands. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be absolutely tremendous. It's going to be called the 4-hand spray. We're going to take this right here, this dress up right here, and we are going to take this right here, and we're going to beat the crap out of this because this isn't, no. All right. So we're going to take this right here. Is this a diluted solution? So our dress up, this is one of our not diluted solutions. This is straight on there, the dressing and a cleaner all in one. Now, if you have just this right here, like our interior solution, this can be diluted down from all the way from 20 to 1. We usually use about 5 to 1 to 10 to 1 in the shop, but your cleaners are going to be the ones that are concentrate. Your dressings like that, you're not going to have as much concentration on there. I'm just going to spray that on there, and we're just going to, I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't even know. I don't know how this, okay, yeah, you can see it. So like I said, this is just, I feel like I'm in an infomercial right now. It dices, it slices, it makes a shine. It'll make your car look 12 years newer. I don't know. Okay, so let's go into this here. So this is about the amount of gloss you're going to get with that. It's not a huge amount. And also, this is doing light cleaning as well as it's going. UV protected. God, I really swear I'm one of those guys that need to have like that microphone on my face right now and be like, hey, you, sir, do you have a problem with your car? No, come on down. We'll get you taken care of. Oh, yeah, ma'am. Come on down, card. Oh, my gosh. I feel so weird right now. But anyways, so super easy. You can use a microfiber on this, or let's do it with one of these, because I like these a little bit better, but I just wanted to show you can be done with both, but this I like better. It tends to go on a lot more even. On here. Plus, this isn't very dirty. So let's. I don't know. Is this even showing? Is this showing up the difference? Are you guys seeing that? Okay, yeah, you are. The lighting's kind of weird, but yeah. Okay, cool. I'll answer your questions in just a second here. But order now, and you'll get 50 lizards for the price of 4. But wait, there's more. And Bob Susan will throw in her handkerchief. And what we get with that handkerchief? A new pair of knives. But wait, there's more. With that new pair of knives, we'll throw in a knife sharpener and a box of Crayola crayons. You'll be amazed. Your kids will be amazed. The family will be happy. And what do you have to do? All you have to do is order 11,000 bottles, or operators are standing by. Sorry, no COD. It looked like before, so I'm going to do a little comparison here. So there's that door right there. And then here's a door, same light, on there. See, it's not as glossy on there, but there's a little bit. And it's not overbearingly, glossy on them. Actually, the perfect amount of gloss. Yeah, isn't it nice? It's a nice amount of gloss on there. It's not bad at all. It's not like syrupy, and it's not, it's not sticky. That's why it's anti-static as well. I don't even know if I mentioned that, but anti-static. So it doesn't, you don't get, like the dust bunnies, for the lack of better words, on there. It just makes it, and it's easy to clean. That's a cleaner and a protectant all in one. So it's a nice express thing for the weekender who just wants to take care of their vehicle really quickly, and just a quick wipe down to have a new look, or for a detailer who's got a vehicle that isn't, doesn't have a lot of work that needs to be done. Why go hard into it when you can just spray that, wipe it, and do 2-in-1 and save yourself a little bit of time? We have a sanitizing spray, apple scent. And I've talked a little bit about this. Vapor steam does not have the correct temperature to sanitize the interior. I did a temperature piece on that, on how surface temperature has to work, and a lot of guys are advertising that vapor steam, quote unquote, sanitizes your interior, making people assume right now with everything going on that it's COVID, and it doesn't. COVID has a higher temperature to break, what's it called, to break through the RNA or whatever, like that. I've done a lot of research on it, but chemically, for sure, is a lot more effective way, and it's quicker. You spray that in the vehicle, goes on leather, goes on vinyl, goes on the carpet, sits on there for 10 minutes because they like the apple scent. That's why we have the dentist office that buys it. That's why we have business that buy it, because they don't want to chemically smell. I think there'd be this many people on my live this early in the morning, but hey, that's cool. It's a light to moderate. For heavy cleaning, like for our concentrate, that's where our interior solution comes in. I used to use Automagic and it didn't look half as good as that. Do you like Chemical Guys products? I like how you put the big quotes and the big caps. Chemical Guys products. That's got to be a joke. What's the name of the product you use? It's Detail Studio. If you're new to us, we have our leveling 2-in-11 compound hand sanitizer. Show Shine is our dry wash and our clay lube. Blackout, I was talking about, this is for the vinyl, plastic, and tires. You can dilute this down 2-to-1 if you don't want like a high gloss on the finish. Boost It is the ceramic booster spray. You can spray that on as a protectant for a vehicle, even a non-coated vehicle. Iron Out, this is our iron remover. Cleanies, this is our wheel acid. We're gonna have another cleaner here fairly soon that's gonna not replace that, but will be a non-acid cleaner. And then of course there's Surface Sanitizer, then our gallons, and then we'll head on over here. Then we have our hoodies, shirts. Here's the interior solution right here. See, this is the same stuff we use in our shop. So we don't only sell it, but we also use it in our shop. So we have it in gallons as well. Dress Up, again, that's what I just showed you guys. Fiber Foam is our carpet shampoo. A lot of you guys really like this stuff because it works. Everyone likes stuff that works, right? So you dilute this down. Here we go. You dilute it. Voice is cracking again, man. The Fiber Foam, you can dilute this down like 10-to-1, 15-to-1 if you want, but this is great for shampooing the interior. This is our Super Foam vehicle car wash concentrate. Water Spot Buster, one of our top sellers right here for water spot removal on glass and the paint. Bug Buster, this is probably number 2 or 3 seller right here, because you can dilute this down 3-to-1, melts the protein on bugs. I got some videos on this as well. And then, of course, we have gallons. Then our Duraslick ceramic coating, which a lot of you know about that already. That is a premier ceramic coating. That's our DS1500. That's a 4-year ceramic coating. We work with the labs. Then we have our, right here, this is a glass prep and panel wipe. Great for smokers. Great for vapors and great for cleaning the glass and for prepping before you apply a ceramic coating. Hey, is there such thing as washing your car too much? I wash my car 4 times a month. Is that a lot? No, it's not a lot. The biggest thing is just washing it properly. If you wash it properly, no, there's not such thing as washing it too much. I mean, you could be a point that you're like wasting a lot of your time of your life when you could be doing other things. But if you love doing it, do it, man. Wash it every day. I mean, if you want. Hey, you wash your car more than me, honestly. I probably wash my car once a month. And that's actually, I did a video on stats on that. I have embedded water spots and heavy paint oxidation in my 2006 Mustang. What should I do to correct? So our water spot buster may get that out. And I'm not going to say 100% it's going to get it out because I don't know how much is on there. I don't know what type of minerals are on there. But the water spot buster, I say, is very effective on that. If that doesn't get it out, then you will work with a light polish. And if that doesn't get it out, then you need to compound. And if the compound doesn't get it out, get to a little bit more aggressive pad and then start wet sanding. You start light and you work your way up. I washed my black hood with a brush. So you'll probably want to do a light compound. Do a light polish first and see if that works. You'll probably have to do, especially on black, you'll probably have to compound like a light compound on there. I wouldn't go like crazy. You can use 205 and like a yellow. That's actually can be used as a lighter compound, even though it's a polish. In that case, you can use a little bit more aggressive pad on that, and you have to finish up with a finer polish probably because it's black, on there. If your polish doesn't get it out. If your polish gets it out, then awesome, that's a win. But it just depends on how deep the brush scratches are. Matte black vinyl on the hood, any special considerations on cleaning, protecting it? Yeah, our ceramic coating, Duraslick, goes right over a matte finish and keeps it matte. And then you don't have to, because you don't want to use any waxes on those. But the ceramic coating, 100% works great. We do matte finishes. We had a Challenger Hellcat matte hood, ceramic coated it, look even better. It makes it deeper and richer color, but it doesn't give it any gloss.